Hi everyone. Today we'll create to-do follow backlinks from high authority websites. Our first website is this one. Okay, let's check the DA of this website. You can see 93 DA and 1% spam score. First you have to go to this link. It's in Portuguese language, translated to English. And then fill up this form. Add your email. So it's not taking temporary emails. I have to add a Gmail address. Check your inbox. You'll receive code there and you paste that code here. This is my code. Yes, I'm gonna add my password. So this is your profile dashboard. Now you can change your image here. Okay. Now what you have to do, first let's do one thing. Let's change our profile name. Save. And now what you have to do, you can change your country here, but I'll not touch anything here. Now you go here and go to my blogs. Okay, now you have to create a blog page here. Give it a name, like I'll add Bruce Wayne. Sorry. Okay, it's available. I'll paste this one here and here. Click on this. Verify it. Create a blog. Okay, this is our blog address. Okay, now there's an option to create your post. Okay, if I open this page, you can see here you have an option to create blog, but I recommend you not to do this because I'm pretty much sure they're gonna delete your blog page. What you do, go to manage your profile and then add the details. Add your website address here. and add something about your website. Save. Sorry, you have to save here, okay? Otherwise, in your profile, you will not see your website address. Let me check. You can see my website address is not available here. So let's save it here. Now let's check again. Okay, this is my website address and say Dofollow Backlink. Let's change the image because it look weird. Go to edit profile and then click on edit avatar. Select the image, close, save. Now go to my blogs and this is your profile URL. My profile picture is changed and this is my website address and it's a Dofollow backlink. So this is our first website. Now let's create backlink on second website. Our second website is this one and the ID of this website is 70 and spam score is 3%. Go to this website. It's in Greek language. Translate it to English. Sign up and add your details. And then create account. Check your inbox. You have an activation email. Open this in new page and click on this button and your page is activated. Okay, now go to your profile. Okay, here's our profile. Click on edit your resume and here go to this option full profile. Now here add your bio. Update profile. View profile. Let's check on some other window. It's a do follow backlink. You can see it's a do follow backlink. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll talk some other topics related to backlinks, SEO. Till then, see you and take care.